cliffside are pretty bare now. These kittiwakes, these birds around us. Just about getting ready to leave are the kittiwakes. Now 4 weeks ago these cliffsides had been covered in guillemots, brown and white penguin-like birds. Member of the auk family, related to the puffins. We start the season with 80,000 puffins, 60,000 guillemots, and around about 1,000 razorbills. They're the three members of the auk family we get around the islands. Just on top of the cliff there, where the mud is, the muddy patch, see what look like rabbit holes. They're actually the puffin burrows. Puffin digs a burrow about arm's length into the peaty soil cap. That's where it builds its nest. Seabirds stay with us for around about 3 months. Kittiwakes being the last to leave. The puffins have been leaving for the last 2 or 3 weeks. We're down to the last handful now. We will see the odd one on the water if we're lucky, or flying past the boat. Quite easily recognisable when they're flying past. They've got a very fast wing beat of the puffins, 400 beats per minute. It's a small black and white bird with a orange parrot-like bill and orange feet. We'll point them out as we see them.